few days ago, I uploaded this video and many of you were asking for the part 2. So, in this video, I am going to give you a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to create these viral luxury house tour videos completely with AI, and it's 100% free. Plus, I will also tell you how you can generate videos longer than 8 seconds with 100% consistency. So, let's get started. First, head over to this Google Doc. Link for it will be available in description. This doc contains all the links and prompts to be used in this video. Now copy this prompt and go to ChatGPT here. Paste this prompt and hit generate. And within seconds, ChatGPT will generate you highly detailed prompt with one initial prompt and a series of extend prompts. But for this video, I will use a shorter version of this prompt to keep the video short. Now copy this initial prompt and head over to Google and search for Flow AI. Click on the first link and here click on Create with Flow. You will be redirected to main interface. Now click on New Project. Here select Text to Video and click on this settings icon and select the aspect ratio. Also choose number of outputs. You can also switch between models, but I will suggest to use VO 3.1. Now paste the initial prompt here and hit generate, and within seconds you will get video like this. Now comes the main part, how to make this video longer without even changing the style and environment of the video. So now click on this Add to Scene button in the top left corner of the video. You will be redirected to Scene Builder. Here click on this plus icon and click on Extend option. Now head back to ChatGPT and copy this first extend prompt and paste it here and hit generate. And within few minutes, it will extend your video and make a new clip with the same style and environment similar to your main video. Now select this new clip and repeat the same process. Click on the plus icon and then click on this extend option. Now head back to ChatGPT and copy this second extend prompt and paste it here and hit generate, and it will generate you newer extended clip for this. Do it for every part. The main prompt generates about 3 to 5 minutes long video. And once you have completed generating all the clips, download the video by clicking on this icon. Now import the video in any video editor and mute the sound of this video and add any copyright-free music to it. You can also add voiceover if you want. And once the editing is complete, you will get video like this, music. And if you want to create these car evolution videos, just comment down and I will upload a complete step-by-step tutorial for it. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to channel and comment below if you face any issues.